Ken is a noun that refers to the range of one's knowledge, perception, or understanding. It denotes the limits of what someone knows or can grasp. Origins: the word originates from the Middle English kennen, meaning to know, which is derived from Old English kennen, to make known, and Old Norse kenna, to perceive. Its explanation and usage: ken is used to describe the scope of awareness or comprehension. It often implies that something lies beyond one's ability to understand or perceive. Example sentences: the mysteries of the universe are far beyond human ken. Her expertise in quantum mechanics is outside my ken. When cultural significance: the term is often used in philosophical, scientific, or literary discussions to highlight the limits of human understanding. It conveys a sense of humility in recognizing the boundaries of one's knowledge. Synonyms: understanding: the ability to comprehend, perception, awareness of something through the senses. Cognition: mental processes of acquiring knowledge. Antonyms: ignorance, lack of knowledge or awareness; unawareness, not knowing or perceiving something; oblivion, being completely unaware or unconscious of surroundings. The key takeaway: ken is a concise, poetic term that emphasizes the scope or limits of one's knowledge and perception. It often serves as a reminder of the vastness of the unknown.